Hello everyone, this is Anna from English with Kakibana and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be learning the pronunciation and actions of a very popular and famous nursery rhyme, Hokey Pokey. So this children's song is very fun to do all together because there are many actions and we will learn these today. If you like learning English and pronunciation through nursery rhymes, children's songs or other pop songs, then have a look at my other videos. I will leave a link up here and also in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and you can see the future videos. So first we will go through the whole song and all the actions, and then we will go through the pronunciation line by line, and then at the end we will do the pronunciation of the whole song all together. Let's get started with the first section of the song and the actions. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. So that is the first verse talking about the right hand. Then you can do the left hand, then the right foot, left foot, and then your head and the whole self, your whole self in. And what we do is you stand around in a circle with everyone and you do that in a circle facing each other. So let's go through the pronunciation line by line. You put your right hand in. You put, so you becomes short and it's y. You put, and put, the last T is like you put the tongue at the top of the mouth and you don't really pronounce it. It's like silent. You put your right hand in. Your right. So your becomes again y. You're right, and right, the T again, put the tongue at the top of the mouth. You're right hand in, and we connect these two words together, hand in. You put your right hand in. You put your right hand in. You put your right hand out. So right hand out, connecting these two words, hand out. And again, the T is like silent, hand out. You put your right hand out. Put your right hand in. And you shake it all about. And you shake it all about. And you, so the D is silent, and y, and U is y sound with schwa, and you shake it all about. Shake it all about. So all of these words are connected together. So shake it, you don't really pronounce the T, it becomes like a D sound that connects, a soft sound. Shake it all, shake it all, shake it all about. All about. and connecting these words, and the start of the word is like a schwa sound. About, all about. And again, the T is like silent, or stop the tongue at the top. Shake it all about, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey. You do, so again, y sound, y. You do the hokey pokey. The is schwa, the hokey pokey. You do the hokey pokey, and you turn around. And y, again, no D, and y, and you turn around. Connecting these two words, turn around, and it's sound, turn around. And then you turn around, turn around. That's what it's all about. That's what it's connecting. So what becomes like a D sound. What it's all. Connecting again. What it's all. And then again connecting. All about. All about. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. And you clap the hands together when you sing this line. That's what it's all about. So that is the full verse, and then you continue by doing left hand in, left hand in. Again, connecting these words. Left hand out, left hand out. And then foot. Right foot in, right foot in. So foot becomes a D, foot in. Right foot out, connecting. Right foot out. Left foot in, left foot out. Next is head. Head in, head out. Head in, head out. And you put your head in the circle. Next is whole self. So this is your whole body. So you jump in. Whole self in, whole self out. Whole self in, whole self out. So whole, it's a H pronunciation. The W is silent. Whole self in, whole self out. So now let's sing the whole first chorus again with the right hand. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. So I really hope you enjoyed learning the pronunciation of this nursery rhyme. If you have any requests of other nursery rhymes you want to learn, please leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. It's completely free. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.